The first federal hate crime trial over gender identity, a historic precedent. By Darius Spearman, African Elements. Support African Elements at patreon.com/AfricanElements and hear recent news in a single playlist, plus get early access to ad-free video content. A pivotal moment in legal history. A historic legal proceeding that has captivated the nation. In South Carolina, a court has set a precedent in the first federal hate crime trial based on gender identity. At the heart of this groundbreaking case is the tragic death of Pebbles Dime Doe. Doe was a black transgender woman whose life was cut short in a heinous act of violence. This trial underscores the severe challenges the transgender community faces. More importantly, it also marks a significant step forward in the legal recognition of gender identity-based hate crimes. The rise in gender identity hate crimes, a disturbing trend. Recent years have seen a disturbing increase in violence against transgender individuals. Significantly, a disproportionately high number of attacks target transgender women of color. The murder of Dime Doe is a stark reminder of the pervasive hate crimes that continue to plague the LGBTQ+ community. For decades, transgender women of color have faced disproportionately high rates of violence and hate crimes. In 2022, the number of gender identity-based hate crimes reported by the FBI increased by 37% compared to the previous year. Yahoo News. The significance of federal prosecution. This trial is the first of its kind to challenge the legal system to address hate crimes based on gender identity at a federal level. It utilizes the Matthew Shepard and James Byrd, Jr. Hate Crimes Prevention Act of 2009. Additionally, it demonstrates the critical need for comprehensive federal legislation to protect LGBTQ+ individuals. But Tuesday marks the first time that such a case has ever been brought to trial, according to Brooke Andrews, the Assistant U.S. Attorney for the District of South Carolina. Never before has a federal jury decided whether to punish someone for a crime based on the victim's gender identity. Yahoo News. Social and legal implications. The absence of a state-level hate crime law in South Carolina brought this case to federal attention. Consequently, it highlights the imperative for all states to adopt comprehensive hate crime legislation. The trial has ignited a renewed push among LGBTQ+ advocacy groups for stronger legal protections. Additionally, these groups seek societal change to ensure the safety and dignity of transgender people. At this moment, there is no sense of peace or security for our transgender community, and there won't be until their lives are truly respected and valued by society. Yahoo News. Future directions in hate crime prevention. The case opens the door for further educational and policy initiatives aimed at preventing hate crimes against transgender individuals. Moreover, it underscores the importance of strengthening legal frameworks. Such frameworks must create a more inclusive and protective environment for all LGBTQ+ legal protection. Conclusion: a call for change and understanding. The federal hate crime trial over the murder of Dime Doe is a watershed moment. It signals a call to action for enhanced legal protections and societal support for the transgender community. As we move forward, it is crucial that we continue to advocate for change, understanding, and respect for all individuals, regardless of their gender identity. About the author, Darius Spearman is a professor of Black Studies at San Diego City College, where he has been pursuing his love of teaching since 2007. He is the author of several books, including Between the Color Lines, A History of African Americans on the California Frontier through 1890. You can visit Darius online at africanelements.org.